Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has criticized Mbekiseli Mbogasi's high-profile move to Major League Soccer side Chicago Fire, arguing that the transfer is ill-timed and not in the young defender's best interest. Mbogasi, who has risen rapidly since making his senior debut for Orlando Pirates last season, secured a switch reportedly valued at about $3 million, around 50 million rand. His final appearance for Pirates came in the Carling Knockout Cup final, with many South African fans viewing the deal as a significant step in his career. Broos, however, strongly disagrees. Speaking on Monday, the Belgian coach questioned both the move and the intentions of Mbogasi's agent, Basia Michaels, and said, "I think no, it's not a good move." Visibly frustrated after earlier reprimanding the defender for arriving late to the Bafana Bafana camp, and said, "What is he going to do in Chicago?" Broos went further, suggesting Mbogasi may not even be joining the MLS first team, and said it's not even a cup team in America. If my information is right, he's playing MLS 2, the second team of Chicago. If it's true, I don't know. I will ask him when I see him. That is even worse. The national team coach, who once described Mbogasi as one of the brightest prospects in South Africa, capable of earning a move to Europe, believes the player and his representatives should have waited for bigger opportunities after the upcoming Africa Cup of Nations and the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. As a woman who is his agent and thinks she knows football is doing what many agents are doing, thinking, how much can I get? If she was a little bit clever, she'd know that AFCON and the World Cup are coming, and the better teams for his career would have been available, not Chicago. Broos also expressed concern over Mbogasi's transition to life abroad and said, "What is he going to do there alone in such a big city?" So no, I don't think it's a good choice. Bafana Bafana are currently in camp at the High Performance Center in Pretoria as they prepare for the Africa Cup of Nations. They will remain there until 17 December before flying to Morocco. The team is scheduled to play a warm-up match against Ghana's Chan squad on 16 December ahead of the AFCON opener against Angola on 22 December. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.